everyone, February is coming. तो इसमें इतना hard क्या है? All the people who have some partners, there is nothing hard for them. They are going to celebrate the whole month of February. People like me also, right? Like I have a loving husband. I look forward to it. And Valentine's Day month, 14th February especially, I celebrate more because it's also my birthday. And I see, when I go out, it's all decorated red, and a lot of couples come out for celebration. But I also know the people who are single, उन लोगों के दिल पे क्या बीती है, what really goes inside them. Because I have people in my coaching who join in, and I work very closely. So I know it's very hard. It's emotionally very draining if you do not have a partner. And in the month of February, when everyone is just celebrating Valentine's Day, it's just, you might just feel like not stepping out at all. Also, there are problems like, ये तो चलो एक महीना हो गया, लेकिन there are problems like you don't have anyone to talk to. Because I know it's hard. There are so many things that happen during the day, and when you're working, there are so many things that happen during work, and you want to share it with someone. You want to talk to someone when you go home. And if you do not have a committed partner with you, then there is a feeling of not being heard. And a lot of it just stays in your head and it really disturbs you. Then your weekends are like, what to do? Kahan jaun, kya karu? And it's hard. So all of these things are not good for emotional well-being of a human being, because we all need someone who is there with us to share our life, to share our meals, to share that Netflix movie that we are watching, to share our thoughts, our problems, our joys, our time. So much is there, and it's a human need. So those of you who are still single, or you have a partner but you don't have that relationship, I'm making this video for you so that you can watch it and use the benefit of my manifestation techniques. So I'm making this video today for all of you who are looking to manifest love, so that all of you can be happy. And those of you who do not know me, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma, and I'm a manifestation coach for leaders. I am helping people for last 4 5 years to manifest whatever they wish. It's health, wealth, relationships. And you can subscribe to my channel because I regularly make a lot of practical content which has helped a lot of my students in my coaching funnels. And I make these videos to help you. And anytime you want to increase the speed of your manifestations, you can just book a call and join my coaching program. All right, so subscribe. If you just regularly keep on watching my content, you will really know a lot, because I cover everything here. And people join my coaching for hand holding, because manifestation means you have to do techniques, right? And when you're in my coaching, then we are constantly in touch with you. You're doing the techniques or not. So people join in, get in for hand holding, reinforcement, staying in the manifestation zone and all that. Yet my videos have almost everything. Yeah, almost. There is one technique I would talk about, which is really my USP, and I don't give that out in videos, but rest everything else is there, right? And you could, figure that out too on your own if you want to. So let's begin. Manifest love before this coming Valentine's Day. Take a 21 days challenge and follow the techniques that I'm going to tell you in this video. All right. So I know there are dating apps and you're just swiping right, left. Yet, you're not able to find someone that attractive could really, click you, like really invoking that feeling of love in you, and it may be just boring, or you may not like to proceed, and it just all chaotic and very hectic. So you must do manifestation techniques before you get ready and step out of your home. You must do manifestation techniques before you even start looking out anywhere, online, offline, the person that you want to manifest love with. Then the success rate is going to be 100 times more. Okay, so let me just give you this example that in my coaching program, there are three success stories which I can share all together. So there were three women, and we were doing the manifestation together for them for love manifestations. And I think I just gave three love manifestation sessions, and the result got manifested in it took 2 months to manifest the results. And after that, simultaneously, all of them shared, like I have literally kept that recording separately with me. All of them shared their love manifestation stories. So I'm going to cover here all the techniques that I did in this session. So first session was about attracting a loving partner. Second was getting into commitment, and third was living in that relationship. And all this came true. So Miss A, I'm not taking her name, she manifested someone who also matched the criteria of what the parents wanted, not only her. And she said, it's one thing to get married, and second thing to feel that love and excitement of being with the person. So this was Miss A's experience. Then Miss R, she was there with me to manifest X, but actually she it got answered in a different way. She ended up attracting another guy who was actually very stimulating for her, and she was also very excited. And she was like, yeah, I'm working and slightly then enjoying, whenever there is a work break, I'm talking to this guy, and it's so damn beautiful. Now just third person, all right. So she's old in manifestations, and she's doing manifestation for many years, and yet she was not able to manifest a loving partner. With me, that day it was also sacral chakra day. Sacral chakra blocks are there when you are not able to be sensual with your partner, you're not able to express your sensuality and your emotions well. And we did that meditation, and then suddenly all her love manifestations started working, and in 3 months she not only attracted a partner but also got married. Like, she literally just directly sent us the wedding invitation. So all these three stories are amazing, and I really feel honored, and that this happens when I coach people. I literally feel very fulfilled, because think of, these people, they all, three of them plus three partners. First of all, they're all happy now. They're not lonely. Those six people are not lonely. And the families are also happy. They don't have to worry about them that much. So I really feel fulfilled doing this work. So now it's time that I share my manifestation techniques with you. All right. So first thing is that you literally write what kind of partner you want. What are the qualities you want in your partner? Like, and I used to do it too when I was single, and I don't know, nobody taught me to manifest those years. I was just doing it because I was too much into Bhagavad Gita, and I was into power of soul and karma. So I was doing those things. So I was very clear. Maybe I'm a natural manifester. That's why my destiny has got me here to do manifestation coaching. So I literally knew what are the attributes that I wanted in my husband. And I was very clear that, I wasn't going after anyone who's rich. I wanted a person who is good looking, handsome, into fitness, and honest. I wanted an honest guy. Like, that was the number one quality that I wanted. And then intelligence. And then he should be into something which is very powerful. And then I manifested, I met my now husband on the road, and he had everything that I wanted. He's an advocate in Supreme Court. It's a very powerful career, and he's very handsome. He's into fitness, and he's very honest. He's always very transparent with me, and that's what I was looking for in my relationships. So this is the first thing, that you literally write what is it that you want in the person. And I don't want you to write what your parents want. I mean, it can happen, but just think of those things, how you want to be treated. Like, I wanted someone who's honest, who's intelligent, that I can interact with him with free mind. So that's what I got. So write about these things. This is the technique number one. Then technique number two is, you could either use visualization or you could do mirror manifestation. So I have seen in my experience, mirror manifestation has phenomenal results. So what you have to do is, you stand in front of mirror, you are here and your partner is here, and you are doing affirmations together for him. We love each other. We are secure in each other's love. These affirmations are, you will find them in the description. Do these affirmations. I do them in my coaching. And literally, I'm sharing those affirmations with you. They'll be there in the description. Okay, now after this, gratitude. Gratitude at night about the tiniest love that you have been able to receive in your life by anyone. Like, your parents love you, your colleagues love you, your friends love you, or you had an ex sometime, or you are in a relationship, already married, and there is a tiny, miny love over there. Express gratitude for those things. It is going to multiply your manifestations. And when you follow these three techniques religiously, in 21 days you're going to attract something. Now, the fourth technique which I do when I'm in the coaching session is my meditations, which are very, very powerful, and they change your frequency in your heart, like, for a very good long time. So you stay in that frequency for a long time, and then you will naturally attract those things from the environment. That's the basic principle of manifestations. And I'm blessed to be successful over there, as people vibrate there and they also attract it. So for that, you can get into my coaching if you really want fast results. All right. And if you want to look at what I do, you can comment below love, and I'll send you my guide, free guide, that how you can manifest your specific person using the manifestation techniques. And you could also follow this video, it is equally good. And I wish you all the best, that by the time Valentine's Day arrive, you already have your loving partner with you. So, with best manifestation vibes, see you in the next video. Keep coming back for more, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.